Let us now continue to understand locomotion in different species of kingdom Animalia. The protozoans, although they are not included in kingdom Animalia, but they display great similarity to the individuals belonging to the aforementioned kingdom. So, locomotion in protozoans occur by the help of cilia, flagella, and pseudopodia. These are the structures which help in locomotion in protozoans. Cilia are usually many in number, small in structure, and they beat in a particular direction for movement. As we know, protozoans are completely aquatic. They have flagella, which are 1 or 2 in number. These are comparatively longer and stronger structures which help in locomotion. And definitely they have pseudopodia, which you observe in amoeba, that causes locomotion into a particular direction and also help in engulfing the food for completion of nutrition in these creatures. So yes, we can observe these structures. We can observe the structures of flagella and cilia here. Let's go to the next part. Polyphenols. Polyphenols are the simplest type of individuals in kingdom Animalia. The word porifera simply means poros, which indicate perforations, and feri means body surface. So polyphenols are those individuals whose body are made up of many perforations on body surface. And these perforations as a whole constitute the canal system, the system that is indispensable for their survival. The sponges are sedentary or fixed animals. So they are not able to move from one place to the other. They are absolutely sessile or sedentary, which are always attached to some substratum. Hence, locomotion does not take place. So sponges are the individuals in kingdom Animalia belonging to phylum Porifera, are completely unable to move. So here we have got an interesting question. Let's try to analyze the options and figure out the correct one. The question is, individuals of which phylum of animal kingdom are completely sessile? Are they cnidarians, like the hydra and jellyfish? Are they nematodes, like the ascaris? Are these porifera, like the sponges? And annelids, like the earthworm? Yes, you have got the correct answer, and that is definitely porifera, sponges. Let us continue to understand locomotion in different species. So now we are going to talk about locomotion in coelenterids, which are the cnidarians. Yes, the cnidarians display 2 types of stages, for which they are said to be polymorphic organisms. They can exhibit a sessile polyp stage, in which they are not moving, they are fixed to a substratum, and they can also display a medusa stage, that is a free swimming stage. So definitely, in case of them, locomotion occur due to the contraction of epidermal muscle fibers. They have got tentacles. We must have observed clearly tentacles in the structure of hydra and jellyfishes. The tentacles form an umbrella-like structure, which we call as medusa. And this structure is able to move by contraction of the epidermal muscle fibers, which can propel water at the opposite direction of movement. Let's now talk about the helminths. Locomotion is not required by adult helminths due to parasitic adaptation. Yes, my child. The helminths are broadly parasitic, and they do not really need to locomote from one place to the other. in order to complete their life cycle. So in adult helminths, we don't observe locomotory mechanism at all. They can undergo passive movement, just as like by propelling force of internal body parts of the host. In Miracidia, that's a type of larva, locomotion occur by cilia, whereas in Sarcaria larva by tail. So these are some of the examples of larva of helminth who can display movement, whereas the adult form is sessile and completely dependent on the host to display any sort of locomotory activity. In Ascaris, which are the individuals of nematoda, cause disease such as ascariasis to us. 15% locomotion occur by cuticle fiber. So yes, they are not able to show very well developed locomotory structures. 15% locomotion occur by cuticle fiber. That is, the locomotory purpose is not as such available in this creature, for as they also are adapted to parasitic mode of survival. But they have got cuticle fibers. The cuticular fibers help in their locomotion.